Are you feeling stressed while preparing for your entrance exams? If so, here are the techniques to deal with mental stress while preparing for entrance exams. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Recognizing stress triggers. This scenario is all too familiar for many of us. The pressure of exams, the weight of expectations, and the fear of failure can create a whirlwind of stress and anxiety. But don't worry, the key to managing this stress lies in understanding its triggers. Imagine stress as a monster under your bed. It's always lurking there, ready to pounce at any moment. But what if you could shine a light on it, see it for what it really is, and understand what makes it tick? That's what recognizing your stress triggers is all about. So, what exactly are these triggers? Well, they're different for everyone, but there are a few common ones that many of us experience. One of the most common is the fear of failure. The thought of not performing well or not meeting expectations can be incredibly stressful. Then there's the pressure of expectations, whether they're from yourself, your parents, or your peers. This can create a constant sense of needing to perform, and the fear of letting others down can be a significant stressor. And let's not forget about the excessive workload. The sheer volume of material to cover and tasks to complete can often feel overwhelming, leading to stress and anxiety. These are just a few examples, but the list goes on. The important thing to remember is that these triggers are normal. They're a part of the process. But by identifying them, you can start to understand your stress better and take steps to manage it effectively. So how do you identify these triggers? Start by taking a moment to reflect. Consider which aspects of your exam preparation are causing you the most anxiety. Is it the fear of not doing well, the pressure of expectations, or perhaps the workload feels too much? Once you've identified these triggers, you can start to address them and find ways to manage your stress more effectively. Recognizing these stress triggers is the first step towards effectively managing your stress levels. So don't let stress remain a monster under your bed. Shine a light on it, understand it, and take control. Maintaining a balanced routine. Balancing your routine can significantly alleviate stress during exam preparation. One of the most effective ways to manage stress is by creating a balanced routine. This means setting aside specific time slots for different activities throughout your day. Imagine your day as a pie chart, divided into segments of study, practice, relaxation, and leisure activities. Giving each of these aspects its due share is important, but above all, remember that your health is at the center of this pie chart. Now let's talk about sleep. It's not just about getting 8 hours of shut-eye every night. Quality sleep is crucial. It's during sleep that your brain processes and consolidates all the information you've learned throughout the day. So, no more all-nighters, okay? Next, let's move on to food, your body's fuel. Here's a simple truth. You are what you eat. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can do wonders for your brain function and energy levels. So, ditch the junk food and opt for healthier alternatives. Physical exercise is another vital slice of your daily pie. You don't have to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. A brisk walk, a quick yoga session, or a dance break can do the trick. Physical activity releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can help reduce stress and enhance your mood. Now let's not forget about mindfulness practices. These can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to meditate or practice deep breathing. You'll be surprised at how these small moments of mindfulness can help calm your mind and lower stress levels. Lastly, remember to include leisure activities in your routine. Whether it's listening to your favorite music, chatting with a friend, or indulging in a hobby, these activities can provide a much-needed break and help you unwind. This balanced routine might seem like a lot to manage, but remember, it's about finding what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Experiment, adjust, and find your balance. Remember, a balanced routine is key to managing stress and staying focused. Because at the end of the day, your well-being matters the most. Not just for acing those exams, but for living a healthy and fulfilling life. Breaking tasks into manageable chunks. Facing a mountain of study material, break it down into manageable chunks. When you're confronted with a mountainous landscape of study material, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But, like any daunting task, the key to tackling it effectively is breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Imagine standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at the daunting peak, and thinking you have to climb it all in one go. Sounds impossible, right? Now, imagine instead you see the mountain as a series of smaller hills. Each hill is a challenge, yes, but it's a challenge you can handle. In this way, your study material is like that mountain. You don't have to conquer it all at once, but rather step by step, one hill at a time. So, how do you break your tasks into these smaller, manageable chunks? Start by looking at your study material and identifying the different topics and subtopics. Each of these can be a hill on your mountain. Aim to understand and master each topic before moving on to the next. Now let's talk about goals. Setting realistic goals for each study session can help keep you focused and motivated. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. For example, instead of saying, "I will study physics today," say, "I will study and understand the principles of electromagnetism within 2 hours." This gives you a clear target and a time frame to achieve it. And remember, every small victory is worth celebrating. Each time you understand a new concept or complete a task, take a moment to acknowledge your achievement. It may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but these small wins add up over time and can significantly boost your motivation and confidence. So next time you feel overwhelmed by the amount of study material you have to cover, remember to break it down. Tackle each topic, one at a time, set realistic goals, and celebrate your small wins. By breaking tasks down, you can reduce the overwhelm and increase your chances of success. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Make that step count. Practicing self-compassion and seeking support. Remember to be kind to yourself throughout your exam preparation journey. This journey is not just about intense studies, but it's also about understanding, accepting, and nurturing your own self. It's about practicing self-compassion. It's about understanding that feeling stressed or overwhelmed is a part of this process, and it's okay. It's okay to have days when you feel like you can't do it all. It's okay to have moments of doubt. It's okay to feel like it's too much sometimes, because it is a lot, isn't it? And while you're at it, try to steer clear of self-criticism and negative self-talk. These are often the biggest hurdles to our progress. Instead of focusing on what you're not able to do or where you're falling short, shift your focus to your efforts, your resilience, and your determination to keep going. Remember, you're doing the best you can, and that's enough. Seeking support is another crucial aspect of managing stress. We all need a little help sometimes, and it's perfectly okay to ask for it. Don't hesitate to reach out to your friends, your family, your teachers, or even professional counselors. Talk about your concerns, your fears, your struggles. Sharing what you're going through can help lighten the burden and provide you with new perspectives. Surround yourself with a network of people who uplift and encourage you. People who understand what you're going through and stand by you through thick and thin. People who remind you of your strength when you forget it yourself. This kind of support can make a world of difference in how you deal with stress and anxiety, so remember, as you navigate through this journey of exam preparation, be kind to yourself. Practice self-compassion, seek support when you need it, and most importantly, know that you're not alone in this journey. There are people who care about you and are there to help you. Never hesitate to reach out for support. You're not alone in this journey. Limiting social media and comparison. In this digital age, social media can often add to our stress levels. It's a world that can make us feel less than, especially when we're in the thick of preparing for entrance exams. It's easy to feel inadequate when you see others seemingly breezing through their preparations while you're struggling. But remember, what you see on social media is often a highlight reel, not a complete picture. So, how do we navigate this? First, limit your time on social media, especially during intense study periods. Use it as a tool to relax and unwind, not as a yardstick to measure your progress. Secondly, steer clear of the comparison trap. Everyone's journey is unique, and it's okay to progress at your own pace. It's okay to have bad days, and it's okay to take time to understand concepts. Your journey is not a race, but a marathon. Remember, your journey is unique. Don't let comparisons steal your joy. Staying positive and motivated. Keeping a positive mindset is crucial when managing stress during exam preparation. It's about believing in your potential and focusing on your strengths rather than dwelling on weaknesses. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Visualize yourself acing those entrance exams, picture the success you're striving for, and let this be your motivation. Surround yourself with positivity. This could be in the form of positive affirmations that you repeat to yourself each day, inspirational quotes that uplift your spirits, or motivational resources that keep you focused and driven. In moments of doubt, these can serve as potent reminders of your capabilities and your goals. Negativity and stress can be infectious, so steer clear of people or situations that drain your energy. Stick to your preparation and relaxation schedules. They are your roadmaps to success. Remember, positivity and motivation are not just about feeling good. They are about fostering a mindset that can help you overcome obstacles and reach your goals. Stay positive, stay motivated, and remember, you have the ability to succeed in your entrance exams. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.